Let's go camping. At Susie's house.
Are you all ready?
Yes, we are ready. Mom, I'm going to FaceTime with Sandy. Grandma, can I borrow your iPad, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you, Grandma. Hi, Sandy. Hi, Susie. What is everyone doing? My brother is always reading. He loves books. But occasionally he plays with me and my sister. He likes to play with Cola too. My dad and grandpa often go running. Sometimes my grandparents walk together in the forest. Mom often cooks while we are playing. Usually Mom and Grandma do yoga in the morning. My sister and I like to look for animals near the camp. My grandparents never join us. In the evening after dinner, we usually sit around the fire. We talk and sing songs together until bedtime. Wow, you are having a lot of fun. Yes, we are. Sandy, I have to go now. Okay, see you on Monday then. Bye, Susie. See you, Sandy. Bye.